Okay, we're hit on the troll. Got something. Hopefully something good. Oh, rooster fish. Fun to catch. Not a very big one, pretty small. Gonna let this guy go, of course, since these are not typically saved for food and not good to eat. One thing that's cool about these fish is that they don't have any sharp points on them. They're completely soft. They don't have teeth, so you don't need to worry about getting bit. And there's no kind of spines or anything that's going to hurt you. The gill plates are soft. It's like holding a big piece of plastic or rubber. So, really cool. Say hi to the people. You go back, you get big. I'll catch you again, okay? Bye-bye, buddy.